Welcome back. In this lesson we're going to look at the Canvas section in CREATE Mosaics Designer. This is where you choose the size and shape of the space you want to design on. Think of the canvas as your starting surface. Before you begin placing tiles, you choose whether your design will be landscape, portrait, square, free-flowing or custom sized. The Canvas section controls the overall layout of your mosaic design. Each canvas option gives you a different working area. Some are ready-made sizes like A3 landscape and A3 portrait. Others give you more flexibility, like free flow and custom. Choosing the right canvas helps you plan your design more clearly before you start painting tiles. Above the canvas you'll see a helpful information line. This tells you which canvas you are using and how many tiles fit across and down. For example, this line says canvas, A3 landscape, 35 by 25 tiles. That means the design area is 35 tiles wide and 25 tiles high. This gives you a quick idea of the size of your mosaic before you start placing tiles. As you change the canvas type or tile size, this number updates so you can see how many tiles your design will need. The first option is A3 landscape. Landscape means the canvas is wider than it is tall. This is useful for horizontal designs, such as wall panels, name signs, garden plaques, or long decorative pieces. A3 landscape gives you a ready-to-use rectangular canvas, so you can start designing straight away without entering any measurements. Portrait means the canvas is taller than it is wide. This is useful for vertical designs, such as feature panels, hanging artworks, tall signs, or narrow mosaic pieces. Like A3 landscape, this is a preset size, so it is quick and easy to use. The square canvas gives you an even design space. This is a great choice for designs that are balanced in the center, such as mandalas, small wall art, coasters, trivets, or decorative square pieces. Because the height and width are equal, it can make symmetrical designs easier to plan. The free flow canvas is for a more organic style of designing. This option is useful when you don't want your design to feel locked into a standard rectangle or square. It's ideal for more creative layouts, loose shapes, abstract pieces, or designs where you want a softer, freer feel. The custom canvas lets you enter your own size. This is helpful when you already know the size of the real mosaic piece you want to make. For example, you may be working on a tray, a tabletop, a sign, a wall panel, or another surface with specific measurements. Custom is one of the most useful options because it helps you plan closer to the real-world size of your project. When using custom, the canvas size works together with the tile size. The app uses your chosen measurements and your selected tile size to estimate how many tiles fit across and down the canvas. This means the canvas can help you understand the approximate number of tiles needed for your design. So if you change the canvas size or change the tile size, the number of tiles needed may also change. A quick important note about custom sizing. Only enter realistic canvas measurements for the project you are planning. Very large numbers can create an extremely large canvas, which may slow the app down or cause it to freeze. So keep your measurements practical. If you're designing a real mosaic, enter the real size of that piece rather than guessing with very large numbers. This will keep the app running smoothly and give you a much more useful tile estimate. One of the helpful things about choosing the right canvas is that it gives you a better idea of your tile count. As you design, the app can show how many tiles you have used, which colors you've used, and what you may need for your real mosaic. This makes it easier to plan before you start cutting, gluing, or ordering tiles, and that's the canvas section. Once you understand the canvas options, it becomes much easier to start each project with the right shape and size. In the next lesson, we'll continue exploring. Learn how to upload images for your mosaic design inside CREATE Mosaics Designer.